Many of you asked for my garden video, so here it is. This was taken few months ago when I had just started the garden for the year. So this is one part of the garden. Here I have 8 by 4 beds, two of these, and then we have put chicken wire around it because there are a lot of bunnies here. Everything is linked in my Amazon store, super easy to find. On the other side, we have these smaller beds, but the best part is these cattle panel trellis. Anything that has vines growing, I grow at the edge so that it goes on top of the trellis. This is today, April 5th. My peas have grown beautifully. They are cold loving plants, so they didn't get affected by the cold front we had few weeks ago. But most of my other plants died. So I had to pretty much start over my garden again. I have some pumpkins here. My tindora is growing okay. I have a lot of radishes and methi, more radishes, coriander. This patch is not doing so well. We'll see if that comes back. Here I have green beans and some tomatoes and other things. More tomatoes. This is wali bhaji or Malabar spinach. I have some long beans and wal in this one. There are all the pots in the back with curry leaves and other things.